federal judge has issued a new nationwide block on President Trump's executive order to end automatic U.S. citizenship for some babies born right here in the United States. This is one of the president's most controversial plans. Thursday's hearing was the first major test since the Supreme Court ruled against the use of nationwide injunctions over the president's executive actions. So why this new federal ruling? Well, the case is a class action lawsuit, a loophole the administration probably didn't see coming, and now the clock is ticking for the White House to respond.
Today, this court slammed that door shut.
After certifying a class action lawsuit against the Trump administration, a federal judge in New Hampshire is blocking enforcement of President Trump's executive order, one aimed at ending birthright citizenship for babies born in the United States to undocumented immigrants or holders of temporary visas.
This is going to protect every single child around the country from this lawless, unconstitutional, and cruel executive order.
The ruling covers every child born after February 20th, the day after the order was signed. But the nationwide block doesn't apply to parents, and the White House has 7 days to appeal.
Hands off!
Birthright citizenship!
Hands off!
14th Amendment!
The lawsuit challenging the executive order's constitutionality argues it violates the 14th Amendment Citizenship Clause, which has long been understood to guarantee birthright status for anyone born on U.S. soil.
It doesn't make that distinction with respect to who the persons are, just as all persons born in the United States are citizens.
The Department of Justice is expected to appeal, labeling the class action lawsuit overboard. It's all setting the foundation for a fight at the Supreme Court, where justices ruled in June to limit judges' authority to issue nationwide injunctions.
When the Supreme Court gets it, we've got a conservative Supreme Court. I don't think that birthright citizenship is really that well grounded in the law or the Constitution. And I imagine that the Supreme Court is probably going to toss out birthright citizenship based on its current composition.
The administration can still file an emergency appeal, but if this ruling holds, it could set up a landmark case on who gets to be a citizen and whether the White House has the power to change that by executive order.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.